Hello also, will be my next little project for my watch. I will make this old uh, old style pocket watch, normal wristwatch. As you can see, I have already disassembled it. The problem was that the stem was broken and damaged. This watch was given to me by my grandfather about 10 years ago, and now I finally have the guts to repair it. So I will make from this watch something similar to this. It will be a big pilot style watch, so I'll keep you posted. This is my first entry to about disassembling the movement itself, and now I'll have to store it somewhere and wait when the case, stem and hands will come. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.